Manood po kayo na itong video na to at may gagayahin po tayo ngayon.
Hi guys, this is Jessie Kids. Welcome to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, we're gonna do a makeup shush. A makeup shush. Anyways, wala lang, katapuan lang guys, and I just want to challenge myself o diba if I can do it or no. So, i-challenge ko lang yung sarili ko kung kaya ko ngang gumawa ng isang Ivana look. Since usong-uso naman si Ivana. Try nga natin kung kaya ko. Kung kaya ko, di kaya nyo rin guys, diba? Pero, tingnan natin, baka mapahiya naman na sa inyo. Anyway, disclaimer lang. Ano ba disclaimer? I love Ivana. Wala lang, ang cute kasi ng mga vlogs niya dun sa channel niya, sa YouTube channel niya. That's why siguro naging famous siya na rin, aside from being sexy and being beautiful, sa kanyang mga Instagram posts. Yun. Anyways, I love yung character niya. So, I said, why not copy? Tingnan niyo rin. Kung makokopya nga natin. So, without further ado, let's start. Siyempre, tingnan muna natin yung picture ni Ivana. Kailangan ko ng guide. Wait lang. O, diba? I'm showing off din. Let me see.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, lalo ba taga? I'm sorry yan. Ayan, narolan nyo. Wala akong mahanap na look niya. Ito na lang siguro. Ayan, ito sa screen. O, yan. Mas flash ko dito sa screen yung look na gagayahin natin. Ako, magaya ba ito ng lola nyo? Good luck to me. Wow, ang ganda ng bata. Ang ganda. Anyways, let's try! Flash ko dito yan sa screen and then you judge kung magiging ang kagaya natin. Siya! Yan, dyan natin matatry talaga kung ang makeup nga talagang powerful, magiging magic. So, let's do this!
Been long since last touched for the first time. like you were already mine. Surreal to me, how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there waiting for mine, like the stars had all aligned. I lay beside today, tonight, your vibe, desire, our eyes on fire.
Actually guys, I don't have an orange blush on. I couldn't find mine, so we're just gonna have a remedy. This is a lipstick which has a little bit of orangey color, so I'm just gonna tap it on my face. We're just gonna mix it up with the contour over there, and voila, I guess that color will do. So let's get back to the makeup wish.
It's just like a magnet, you have me like gravity.
I'm just gonna check first on our model if we are on the right track. So anyway, I see it's okay. So we're gonna use highlight. Again, let's go back to the makeup wish.
When our eyes touch, so familiar deep inside, like you were already mine. Surreal to me, how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there.
And for our final look, let me just fix my hair and lipstick. Get back to you.
Ready na ba kayo? Abracadabra. Let's see the final look.
You girl, ang ganda-ganda mo. The way you smile makes me high. Parang iba na to. Iba na, nararamdaman. Iba na, nararamdaman. You're the best girl I've ever seen. Kapansin-pansin ang iyong mga tingin. Iba na, nararamdaman. Iba na, nararamdaman.
At dyan nagtatapos ang ating makeup sesh. Pwede na ba guys? If I can do it, you can do it too. Medyo iba na nga yung itsura ko. Konti lang. Thank you for watching. God bless everybody. I miss you, Munchkins. See you all in the next video. Oops! By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that button and the notification bell to see my new video upload. Bye!
You girl, ang ganda-ganda mo. The way you smile makes me high, parang iba na to. Iba na, nararamdaman. Iba na.